The book of Genesis 1, verse 24 to 25. The uniqueness of animals by God. Then God said, "Let the earth bring forth the living creatures according to its kind, cattle and creeping things, and beasts of the earth, each according to its kind." And it was so. And God made the beast of the earth according to its kind, cattle according to its kind, and everything that creeps on the earth according to its kind. And God saw it was good. Life comes by God's command. Every creature exists because God willed it into being. The three main categories on day 6: beast of the earth, that is wild animal that live independently in nature without being controlled or kept by people. Cattle, controlled animals that could be useful to humanity. Cows, oxen, sheep, goats, dwelling creatures. This covers reptiles, insects, worms, snakes, lizards, and other small animals that move low to the group. So after its kind, that word, it is repeated 10 times in Genesis 1 regarding living things. Plants on day 3. Sea creatures and birds, they were created on day 5 after their kind. And land animals on day 6. So God created distinct kinds of types of creatures, each with its own built-in characters like reproductive boundaries and purpose. Animals reproduce true to their kind. Cats produce cats, dogs produce dogs, elephants produce elephants. Every creature was designed uniquely with purpose. God didn't just make life that then figured itself out. He spoke specific categories into existence, each after its kind. Now, this shows intelligence and order. Everything has a role in the balanced creation. Later, God brings the animals to Adam to name them. That is Genesis 2, verse 19 to 20, showing humanity's unique role as steward over these kinds. The repetition of after its kind and God made underscores that diversity in the animal kingdom is by divine design, not accident or undirected process. God declares it good. The variety and specialization of beasts, cattle, and creepers all contribute to a functioning, beautiful world. In Genesis 6, verse 9, Noah is commanded to take animals after their kind into the ark, protecting these created kinds through judgment. How animals reflect God's purpose on earth. Animals reveal God's creativity. No two animals are exactly the same. So they've got different colors, different sounds, different abilities, different environments, from lion to ants, birds to whales. Creation deploys the creativity of God. God is not limited. His wisdom and imagination are endless. Animals show God's order and wisdom. So every animal has a role in creation. Bees pollinate, birds spread seeds, livestock support human life, sea creatures help ocean ecosystems. This shows God created the earth with balance and structure. God is organized and purposeful, not random. Animals reflect God's care and provision. God feeds and sustains animals daily. Jesus said, God feeds the birds of the air. This shows God cares for all creation. If God cares for animals, He also cares for you. Trust God's provision and faithfulness. Animals teach spiritual lesson also. So throughout the Bible, God uses animals symbolically. Sheep, dependence and obedience. Lions, strength and authority. Doves, peace and the Holy Spirit. Eagles, renewal and strength. ants wisdom and diligence. So animals often become living illustration of spiritual truth. Animals reflect God's power. The size, intelligence, instincts, and survival abilities of animals show the greatness of their creator. Example: migration of birds, strength of elephant, precision of spiders weaving webs, the vast creatures of the sea. So spiritual lesson: creation points to the majesty to God. Animals were part of God's good creation. After creating animals, God said it was good. This means animals are valuable in creation, part of God's design, evidence of His goodness. The lesson found on this life creation by God is that animals are not accidental life forms. They are part of God's intentional creation and reveal His creativity, wisdom, care, order, and power. When we look at creation, we see the fingerprints of God everywhere. Every animal reflects something about its creator, that is wisdom, beauty, strength, order, and care. Creation reminds us that the same God who designed the earth with purpose also created our lives with purpose. Now, nothing God creates is meaningless. Thank you very much.